Coastal sun-drenched oasis. Come check out this sunny and spacious end unit in beautiful Spanish Wells. This stunning and pristine Valencia floor plan is being sold turnkey, and is in move-in condition. The open and airy floor plan lends itself to entertaining, and the oversized lanai overlooks the North Golf Course with tranquil and captivating views of the lake, tropical landscaping, and the newly renovated Spanish Wells Golf Course in 2018. The oversized kitchen has a sunny breakfast area, breakfast bar, built-in desk, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, as well as ample storage space. There is a formal dining area just off the living room with stunning views of the lake and golf course. The master bedroom ensuite offers an oversized walk-in closet, dual sinks, separate shower and soaking tub. In addition to the private guest bedroom, there is a den with pocket doors which allows for multiple uses, maybe an office, reading room, third bedroom, or possibly a Zoom room. Some of the high-end renovations include 3M window tinting in the living room, luxury wood laminate flooring, custom blinds, ceiling fans, and much more. The attached one-car garage has custom shelving, storage rail system, and newly flex-core epoxy flooring, 2019. Additional guest parking is a welcome amenity, and the community pool is just steps away. Spanish Wells Country Club is a gated golf course and tennis community and close to world-class shopping and dining, convenient to RSW Airport, and just minutes to the sandy white beaches of Southwest Florida. Call today to schedule your own private showing and don't delay.